You know, sometimes in life, we tend to want to skim our way to save some money by finding cheaper or free alternative to things. For instance, you park your car illegally at the roadside just outside the mall when there is clearly ample parking in the mall for a very small fee, only to be slapped with an expensive traffic ticket later on. Pretty painful, right? And this is a similar case when making a purchase on genuine products, and today I have teamed up with Brother to talk about how it relates to printing and how important it is to buy Brother genuine consumables. So here's a scenario. You buy a printer, whether or not it's an inkjet or a laser, and then the ink runs out. So we source for non-genuine ink cartridges online on the shopping platforms because we want to save a couple of bucks. Now, if you're lucky, nothing bad happens to the printer, and even though the output is far less than the original, but here is where there are many potential issues that could arise, and here it is. Now, the first important reason on why you should buy Brother Genuine Ink is, of course, the quality. Now, in testing, 90% of non-genuine inks delivered unsatisfactory color photo quality, as they tend to show a small color range and a larger color variance, resulting in a greater color inconsistency. Now, Brother Genuine ink and toner cartridges, on the other hand, are specially formulated to limit the risk of smudges and smears, and Brother printers also uses the latest color management technology to ensure that the ink and the toner cartridges produce the exact color that does not fade over time. Now, Brother Genuine Supplies also offers the widest color gamut, just like having a high quality monitor, and of course produce the most consistent quality from the first print to the last. And imagine this, you need to send over a printed version of your company profile to your high-paying client, only to find that your company's logo become inconsistent from one page to another, and even worse, if it's your client logo that you're printing. Now, when we send a printer job to the printer, we expect it to do just one job well: print. Now, it's important that the printer does this every single time as we hit the print button. Now, in testing, it is found that 100% of non-genuine toner brands encountered at least one failure. And guys, we are living in a very fast-paced environment, and there's absolutely no room for error because time is money, and we don't want to spend half the time doing troubleshooting. Now, additionally, 68% of non-genuine toners had to be replaced early because of the poor image quality. Meanwhile, Brother's Genuine Toner delivers flawless reliability rating of 100%. Now, what's shocking is there was a report that a non-genuine brand printed a crazy amount of 42,171 pages lesser than a Brother Genuine equivalent. So if you really think about it, that's not exactly cost saving, right? In fact, Brother Genuine toners produce 57% more output on average compared to non-genuine counterparts, and genuine toners also delivered 100% of stated drum yield. Still unconvinced? Next is safety, because did you know that using a non-genuine consumables can be harmful for your printer or even you? Now, based on a brand assessed by Bias Lab, it saw a staggering 80% of its toner leaking straight out of the box, making it completely unusable. Now, it also found that every non-genuine brand left toner deposits inside of the printer. Now, this could potentially cause paper jams and premature wear on components or even printer failure. Now, Brother Genuine Supplies, however, barely left any hint of toner residue anywhere, keeping the printer clean as well and ensuring that you don't come into contact with any potential harmful particles. Alright, now that you have learned the benefits of buying and using Brother Genuine consumables, you may be curious on how to identify if the toner cartridge you're buying is authentic. So here's how. Tilt the label on your cartridge against the light to verify the genuine Brother hologram. Now you'll see a sequence of dot 1, 2, 3 and 4. And lastly, you can authenticate by checking the ID number on the label through the Brother authentication website, which I'll link it down below. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this video helpful when it comes to using genuine products to satisfy your printing needs and of course your safety as well. And by the way, Brother is having the Jom Raya promotion right now, where with any purchase of selected genuine consumables such as ink and toner will be rewarded with Touch and Go e-wallet credit, where the promotion starts from the 15th of March. So don't miss it and get yourself Brother genuine consumables now, where I'll put the Jom Raya promotion details in the description area. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. My name is Adam Lobo signing off. Until the next video, take care and bye original.